Origin 2022b introduced the new Distance Annotation tool. It is useful for labeling the distances between data points on a plot and the dimensions in an image. The Distance Annotation tool is found on the Tools toolbar with the arrow and curved arrow tools. This tool will automatically snap to data points around the cursor. By holding down Shift, the arrow is forced to align either horizontally or vertically. We can edit the label to an expression to convert the units or display format. We can also add to the label to show the length of the X and Y components. We can annotate images in a graph by setting them as a layer background. Here we will import a map. This map of Europe already has embedded longitude and latitude data, and Origin will automatically use this data upon import. We can check by opening the Set Coordinates dialog to see that the latitude and longitude ranges for Europe are correct. If an image doesn't have coordinate data, we can use this dialog to set it manually. For this example, we want to find the change in latitude and longitude between London and Berlin. We have the coordinates of these two cities plotted. We can insert a map as a layer background and annotate the distance between the two cities. We can edit the label to show the change in latitude and longitude. In this next example, we have a scanning electron microscope image of a superconducting device. The dimensions are important for determining whether or not the quantum effect can be observed. This image does not have embedded coordinate data, but we can use the Set Scale dialog to match the scale in the image. Enter the value and units of the scale to set the pixels per unit. Drag and resize the width of the box to match the image scale. We are interested in finding the dimensions of the overlap. We can change the arrowheads for clarity and apply the settings for all lines in the scope. If more precise placement is needed, the Dimensions tab allows us to change the units to scale units and set the coordinates of the arrowheads. We hope you find this tool useful, and thanks for watching.